today's video, we're documenting Van Buren, the history where it began.
Alright, so before we get today's video started, we're using a new microphone because we had issues with the last one. But we're back to the Vega Print 6.0 today. We're going to install perforated vinyl on one of the big doors on the shop. And also, we're going to try to install the door perforated vinyl. Today, Brian is back with me. So we're going to go all the way to 35th Avenue in McDowell, which is pretty far from here, especially with all the traffic.
Woo, it's hot.
And then after that, we're going to go back to the shop to install the vinyl.
What up, Chris?
What up, yo?
One sun's coming soon.
How we right there?
I would probably bring it down a little bit. Once it sticks, bro, it's stuck.
I know. So,
Woo.
come here, Brian.
Can you
Come on,
do my
Brian.
hand?
Right there? Right here?
That looks good.
Go ahead, push.
There you go. It is a big old graphic. Yeah, it is. That's what credit cards are for, Chris said.
Right? Alright guys, so while Chris is getting set up right here on the right side, I'm going to finish up cleaning the last window. I have the perforated vinyl. When we're done setting that one up, we're going to measure this one so we can get the graphics finalized and installed for the top two signs. I also have the left side of this door ready. I don't know if we're going to have enough time, depending on how well this one goes. We're going to do this one. And then we were talking also about that sign that's right there on the corner. It's hard to see because of the light, but it's this pole right here. So pretty soon we're going to be able to fully advertise out of this place, and I'm going to bring the retractable banners, the pop-up tents, business cards, pretty much everything that's large format printing into this building, which is, you know, downtown Phoenix. So let's get it. To the point where we can hold it from here. Right there. Alright. All right, so there it is. We got the first window up. Now we're gonna try to do the door. The door has like vinyl residue or the glue residue from the vinyl from the previous screen printing shop that was here. So I'm gonna try to put some Windex on it, and if I can remove it, I'm gonna apply it next. If not, we're gonna have to come back. But we do want to measure this sign to make sure that we can get the graphics going. We got the measuring man over here with the measuring tape. How long are we talking here, buddy? 6,
It's 2.
maybe 7 inches on a good day.
Right, don't worry.
All right, so we did clean up this door, and we kind of positioned it. So I like how it looks, but we're gonna go ahead and apply it. There are no buts, and we did measure the top already. This one turns out to be 8 foot wide by 2 feet tall, and that one, for some miracle, it's half an inch short from 8 feet, but it's still 2 feet tall. Huh, Chris?
Yeah, I lost 20 on it.
Ah,
Oh wow.
bro, we're not bringing that up.
It is what it is. It's just funny as hell.
I don't think so.
No?
Yeah.
I think it's funny because it fucking irritates everyone.
Exactly. It's like you don't go up to random people like that, bro, and bother them. Does anybody beat them up?
They body slammed them.
Did they?
Yeah.
Good. Hey, Brian, you want to grab it and kind of record around me?
So 3D cinema.
Get some, get the
Killer
best
angles?
Get the best angles. Get the Kurt angles.
It's warm, motherfucker.
This is a PG-13 channel, bro.
Want to record the whole thing or stop?
You can stop. All right, guys. Is it recording? You gotta understand that I've never done a door perforated vinyl before, so this is my first time, and I'm just playing it by ear. I have minimal help with Brian, but he's doing the most that he can. Definitely helping with the camera. It's a 2 thumbs up type of deal, and he's been doing okay helping me with the graphics too. So, yes, sir.
Are you zooming again? Oh.
Turn the lens. All right, here we go. And we're done. That's it. All right, keep recording.
Yeah, over here. So this is Lalo's. And let's see, I'm gonna do the other side of the window. But, see, that's me. Simple. I don't know about Lalo's. He's over the edge.
Being extra.
He's being extra.
Oh, come on, Mike. Don't do this to me. All right, we are done with the second part of the installation of the vinyls here at the Vega Print 6.0 / Wu & Sons. So let me know what you guys think. I think it's starting to come together. Like I said, that sign that's in the corner, we're still gonna do something about it. And we're also allowed to put A-frames and flags like the one that's hanging over there. So we're gonna be able to advertise even further past this point of just putting our logos on the windows. Huh, Chris?
Yeah. Don't worry. I'm gonna be colorful too. I'm kind of jealous of this right now.
Don't be jealous, bro.
Nah. I'm just a simple man doing simple things. We could? I think so, right?
No, I'll see why not.
Do like a scenery. Or someone eating some jerky. Or someone printing a sign. Or doing a flyer.
All right, guys. So we're done with the day. Remember to follow Killa Culture on Instagram.
Yo, cold, fool.
Is this your water?
Yeah. Well, I don't know which one's mine, bro.
No, this is a full one. You didn't drink water, huh?
No, this is mine then. Remember to follow Wu and Sons on Instagram.
Yes, follow us, please.
Follow us on Instagram, Vega Print. One more time, Killa Cult. We're out of here. We'll check you guys on the next one.
95,000.
Hopefully tomorrow or Wednesday we come back with the sign that goes on top for either his side and my side or both of them. But we're definitely going to start working on the flags, the A-frames, and the corner sign as soon as possible, to be honest. Ah, Chris.
Yep.
That's right.
First Fridays, you're gonna love it over here.
Woohoo! They're not ready, bro.
They're not ready.